All right, hi everybody. We're gonna add some little bonus footage. We're stuck on the lift. Stuck here on chair number 1. Almost there. We're just almost there. It's a powder day here, and we're just stuck here. It sounds like they just turned off the motors, and the people up ahead got off, and I don't know what's gonna happen to us. I'm stuck. I don't know. I'll update you later. Still stuck on the lift. Yeah, it's not moving. We're just hanging out here. It's snowing a lot, but yeah, the lift is just hanging out. Maybe they'll fix it or get it working soon. Maybe we'll have to rappel down. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. I'll come back in a little bit. Still stuck on the lift. I think it's been an hour. Something like that. Yeah. I don't know what we're gonna do. I think they shut off the power. We can't hear. Look, see, the building is right there, and we don't hear it. The motor's not running anymore. So I don't know. I think we're stuck. They got to get the ropes out and rescue. Oh, here comes ski patrol. Okay, maybe they'll rescue us. Alrighty, I'll come back when they rescue us. Okay, they got us moving. We're moving now. Hold on. Let's view the other. Okay, we're moving ever so slowly. Look, there's like 2 chairs back to back. Look at that snow. Rescued at Mammoth. Oh, he stopped again. No! Oh no! We're stopped again. Oh, they got to do like 1 chair at a time or something. It's like emergency power. Oh, it's cold. It is cold. Let's see if I could like.
You got that free lunch coupon?
Right there, yes.
He does. He does.
Sorry about the inconvenience, guys.
We're beta testers for the new lift, right?
Your word's not mine.
Oh, the bell! I love the bell. Here we go. We got the bell. We're moving. Oh, the fault is up here. The fault is here, huh? Up, up. Oh, the clutch. They said the clutch was the problem. We moved a little bit, but we're still stuck inside the lift. First time being stuck like this. I was stuck for 45 minutes before at Park City, though.
As we go through, stay in the same areas. If you're on the D cell, stay on the D cell. If you're on the A cell, stay on the A cell. Turn around, stay turn around.
We're gonna try to go up.
You guys got a warranty on this thing.
Ha! It's a Swiss warranty. Austrian. Okay. Oh.
Hey, back.
A little different, but same place.
Austrian, huh? Okay.
This is
I gotta stop.
teased out. I got this all the way to the building.
Oh, the bell. That means we're going. The bell.
Hey, at least you're not on the bottom because those guys got like 2 hours.
Yeah, right. Here we go. Here we go. We're gonna get off. We're gonna get off. No.
Keep pushing, keep pushing.
Oh wow. They gotta push.
Yeah, I want to disengage.
Oh, look at open. We're gonna get off. Yes. We're off. Yay, we're off. Okay. Yeah, okay. Thank you. Alrighty, we're back. Thank you, Mammoth. Okay, I made it back. I'm at McCoy's. This is what I got. I got a free drink, a hot chocolate, or something else. There's stuff in the back. Fountain drink or something. But I made it after being stuck for a while. We're at McCoy's on this powder day. Alright, talk to you guys later.